my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let we start GK chapter number 2, Unit 4, Animals in Nature, chapter number 22, Amazing Mammals. Mammals are those animals that give birth to their young ones. Mammal mothers feed their babies with their milk. Can you name these amazing mammals? You can use the clue box. Number 1. The mammal that lay eggs. Platypus. Platypus. The only mammal that can fly. Bat. The largest mammal on the earth. African elephant. A famous Chinese mammal that eats shoot, giant panda. After humans, the most intelligent mammal. Chimpanzee. The mammal that appears to swim through sand. 6. Marsupial moon. Seven. The termite and ant-eating mammal that does not have teeth. Giant anteater. Giant anteater. A famous humped mammal. Camel. Dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 23, Desert Life. The desert life is full of amazing animals and plants. Unstumble the letters to find the answer of the following. Number 1. The plumage of the dash is the best example of soil camouflage in birds. It perfectly matches the color of the desert. ये है desert lark. Number 2. The roots of some desert trees go deep into the ground to extract water. One such tree with very long roots is mesquite. Mesquite. Camels can go without water for many days because they store fat as a ready-made food source in their hump. 4. Some plants in desert have juicy leaves or stems to store water immediately after rainfalls. One such plant is cactus. 5. A small animal that can also survive without water for many days is the jerboa. 6. A plant that can resist heat and drought for the longest time in the desert is creosote. Creosote bush. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 24, Habitat of Animals. A habitat is a place where an animal lives. Different animals need different habitats. Find out the places where these animals live. Polar bear, Arctic. Two, yak, Tibet. 3. Nilgai, India. Zebra, Africa. Hippopotamus, also Africa. Number 6, Emu, Australia. Number 7, Penguin, New Zealand. And white tiger, India. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 25, useful plants. People have been using plants as medicines since ancient times. Read about them and find their names. Use the clue box. Number 1. This is a grass plant which has sweet juice in its stem. Sugarcane. Ganna. 2. The wood of this tree is used for making cricket bat. Willow tree. The plant that gives us fiber for making clothes. Cotton plant. Silkworms, which gives us silk, feed on the leaves of this tree. Mulberry tree. The plant that bears the largest flower in the world. Rafflesia. This plant gives us hard and durable wood for making furniture. Teak. The leaves of this plant are used to prepare home remedies for cough and cold. Tulsi. 8. This tree has aerial roots and grows in salty water. Salty water. Mangrove tree. 9. This tree is also called the wonder tree because every part of this tree is useful. Neem. Okay, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 26. Fear in mind. A phobia is a strong fear of a particular animal, object, situation, or activity. So match the term that denotes each of the following phobias. Fear of heights, acrophobia. Option D. Fear of flying, aerophobia. Option F. Fear of water, aquaphobia. E. Fear of bathing, washing, or cleaning, ablutophobia. Fear of spiders. 5. Arachnophobia. C. Fear of colors. 6. Chromophobia. Fear of noise. Acoustophobia. Number 8. Fear of dogs. Cynophobia. It is B. And fear of dog, it is G. Fear of crowd. Number 9. Ankylophobia. Option O. Fear of open places. Agoraphobia. Option I. Fear of balloons. 11. Globophobia. Fear of the sun or sunlight. Heliophobia. Fear of crossing streets. Agoraphobia. J. Fear of bats. Chiroptophobia. H. Fear of sharp or pointed objects. 15. It is I. L. Acmophobia, such as knife, needle. Fear of blood. Hemophobia. So, dear students, all chapters of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So, we will meet you the next class. Thank you, everyone.